Add toothpaste to salt. Let me show you what happens when you mix these two ingredients. The result of this combination is brilliant and will definitely surprise you. When my grandmother told me about it, I didn't expect it to work so well. I'm sure you have the products needed for this trick at home. First, take some table salt and put 2 teaspoons into a small bowl. Then, add about 10 centimeters of toothpaste. The next ingredient, which makes the mixture even better, is dish soap. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Mix everything thoroughly to form a uniform paste. This mixture has incredible cleaning power, and it has stopped me from buying expensive detergents. You can use it to clean your entire sink and faucet, just like I do. Our mixture removes all limescale, thoroughly disinfects surfaces, and leaves a great shine. After applying, wait a few minutes and rinse everything with water. Look at the result. It's fantastic. I hope you'll start using this trick too. Insert a pin into your faucet and it will work wonders. If the water from your faucet flows weakly, this pin trick will come in handy. The aerator or the tap strainer in your faucet gets clogged with deposits and minerals. Limescale builds up, which you can see if you look at the bottom of the faucet. The entire tap strainer is surrounded by limescale, which can vary in color depending on the cleaning products you use for your bathroom fixtures. When this happens, the water flow from the faucet weakens. But a simple trick with a pin can change that. If you have a faucet like this, take a screwdriver and remove the aerator. Each aerator is installed differently, so first, check how yours is mounted. Once you unscrew it, you'll likely see pieces of limescale and various deposits in the sink. These fall out during the removal process. You'll also see quite a bit of limescale and dirt on the aerator itself. First, soak the aerator in vinegar, then clean it using a pin. Simply insert the pin into the small holes in the tap strainer to unclog them and remove the limescale. This will clear the tap strainer of all impurities and dirt. The aerator will now function properly. Screw the aerator back on and turn on the water. You'll notice the difference immediately, all without needing a plumber. Apply shaving foam to the broom. Although it may seem strange, this trick is currently trending on the internet. It turns out that shaving foam has a brilliant application in the bathroom. Grab a regular broom, which you probably already have at home. Apply shaving foam to it on both sides, covering all the bristles. A broom prepared in this way will be a lifesaver for older individuals or those with spinal problems. Just flip it and spread the foam on the floor around the toilet. This is undoubtedly one of the poorest parts of the bathroom and often difficult to reach. This foam is like soapy foam with a higher content of potassium hydroxide, so it works excellently. Apply it generously, and the broom's bristles will distribute it even into the smallest crevices. Next, cover the toilet seat, bowl, and sides with foam. It will effectively deal with yellow stains and unpleasant odors. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After this time, rinse off the foam with warm water. Immediately, you'll see that the tiles and toilet shine. A pleasant fragrance will linger in the bathroom, lasting even for a few days after cleaning. The foam also cleans the grout without unnecessary scrubbing. The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done. Put coins in the sink in the hotel. Apparently a lot of tourists do this. This brilliant trick was shown to me by a former hotel staff member. The bathroom in hotel rooms differs in a few details from the one at home. Although at first glance it looks similar, it turns out that the sink is limited in its functions. Ordinary coins will make using it much easier. If there is no laundry machine in your hotel room, you'll probably use the sink to wash clothes. Unfortunately, the hotel sink doesn't have a plug. This is done for safety reasons. The lack of a plug minimizes the risk of flooding the room. Ordinary coins and a plastic bag can replace it. Just place the bag on the sink, then arrange a few coins on its surface to cover the drain. This way you'll make a makeshift plug that will easily help you fill the sink. Soaking and rinsing clothes in it will be easy. Travelers all over the world use this trick. Brilliant, isn't it?
Express trick for cleaning the drain. It will thoroughly clean the pipes in 5 seconds. Remove the plug from the drain. Pour in 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. When the ingredients start foaming, press them with a towel. The foaming will fill the pipes. It will flush out the lime scale and dirt from them. Foam should start coming out of the hole located under the faucet. It will be covered in sludge and rust. This is the fastest and most thorough way to clean the drain. Baking soda and vinegar have descaling and cleaning properties.
Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and lime scale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting, whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever.